Alright, today we're going to fell this tree. First step is height and hazards, or hazards and heights. Some people say it different ways. As you approach the tree, you're going to do an outer inspection, and then you're going to do an inner inspection of the tree. And as we can see from the outer inspection, there's no dead branches, no excessive lean, and on the ground we have a nice open area. So we're going to walk in closer and do a better inspection of the trunk. As we're walking in, we're looking for any type of girdling of roots, decay, conchs, mushrooms, and as you can see, we have looks like an area where maybe a piece of equipment has hit the tree and it's tried to heal itself back pretty good, but there's a good chance that there could be some rot inside the tree. So let's go ahead and walk around the tree all the way. Yep, everything looks good. Looks like a good tree except for just the one spot right here. Looking up the tree, everything looks pretty good up in the tree. I don't see any branches, widowmakers, anything that's going to fall on me and hurt me before I can go down my escape route. Okay, that's the first thing we need to look at on a tree. Now the next step, we need to estimate the height and see which direction we're going to fell it.